see that you keep watching a whole lot of videos.
Sir, I was feeling very sleepy, so I thought I'd watch 1 or 2 songs and then get back to my work.
That's fine, but what's peculiar is you keep watching Ranbir Kapoor's videos all the time.
Yes, I'm very fascinated by his work. I like his acting. I really want to meet him given a chance, but I don't know if I'll be able to meet him in this life.
Why not? Do you know that it's today not very difficult to go and catch hold of a person? Let's say if you want to even meet the President of the United States, do you know that you probably know someone who knows someone who knows the President?
So really I can meet Ranbir Kapoor?
You
Or
will meet-
any other person who I want to meet?
Okay, does it sound surprising if I tell you that you probably know Ranbir through a common friend? Which means Ranbir's friend's friend is probably Shruta, which is you.
Will it happen?
That's right. So there's a very nice science that goes behind it. So I'll try to explain it to you. It's going to take quite some time for me to explain the science behind it. I think I should not be disturbing people here. Why don't we walk outside and discuss? Huh?
So Shubhada, you of course know of Obama, right?
Yeah, I know. But I don't know him personally.
That's right. So what if I tell you that you actually know Obama through someone? Is that believable?
Of course not. How will I know Obama through someone?
Yeah. Sounds like it's far-fetched, correct?
Yeah.
So this is a fact. I know of a good friend from Germany, and her dad has worked with Obama, and he knows Obama really well.
Okay.
And Obama also knows him very well. So what just happened? I know this friend from Germany, and of course she knows her dad really well. I know her very well, she knows her dad very well, and her dad knows Obama very well. And you know me very well. Now you see, you know me, 1. I know this friend from Germany, 2. And friend of course knows her dad very well, 3. And the dad knows Obama very well, 4. Through 4 people, you are connected to Obama.
That's surprising.
Yeah. What is more surprising is probably you think this is a coincidence.
Yeah,
Right?
because this might be a coincidence. What if this is not true for any 2 people in the world?
Correct. Do you observe something? You know Obama through 3 people, and every friend of yours, they know Obama through 4 people.
4 people.
You see, they know you, you know me, I know,
Yes.
and so on. Correct? So similarly, it is believed, rather it is known experimentally, that any 2 people in the world are separated on an average of 6 people. Any 2 people, in fact.
Really? But how can we prove it?
Yeah. So my point was this. You were talking about Ranbir Kapoor, right?
Yeah.
I don't think it's very difficult for you to find someone who might know someone who knows Ranbir Kapoor really well. So it's all about knowing how to reach Ranbir Kapoor. The fact is, you know someone who might know someone who knows Ranbir Kapoor really well, but it's difficult to find. I'm only talking about the fact that there exists a path between you and Ranbir Kapoor through a couple of friends. How to find that is a difficult question to answer, but a very well-known question in sociology is the fact that any 2 people are connected by, on an average of, let's say, 6 hops. In fact, within India, any 2 people, I believe, should be connected in less than 2 or 3 hops. So it shouldn't be difficult for you to meet Ranbir Kapoor. As they say, where there is a will, there is a way. If you attempt wholeheartedly, you might meet your dream star.
Yeah, maybe I can find that path which is difficult to reach Ranbir Kapoor.
That's right. So it's going to be a whole lot of hard work, but the science of it is that you can always find such a path. I'm sure you still don't believe it.
Yeah,
So-
slightly.
Yeah. So
I'm not still very
very convinced. So what I'll do is I'll now take you to a desktop and show you by writing a program. I will assume the population of the world is so much, and I'll show you if this is really true. If we assume some random friendships, that any 2 people are actually connected with very few hops.